August 31st, 2019. Guys, a very quick update. Dorian now is starting to curve. We got winds at 140 miles per hour sustained. It's moving west-northwest at 12 miles an hour. Pressure's dropped to 948. Notice by 2 a.m. this thing is partially on shore. In other words, that's just the center of the storm where you see the four where it curves. But again, at that point, we have to really watch the storm. A lot of the models now are matching this. An impact in South Carolina, raking North Carolina, and parts of Virginia. The storm is large if you look at these models as it gets closer. Now, we're going to have, this is your European model, gets right into the shore and then comes ashore into South Carolina. But because of the size of the storm, it's going to rake from Florida, Georgia, South Carolina. See that? Ease off a little, could slam right into central South Carolina, and then rake up the East Coast. Each model is slightly different. This is your global forecast model. Notice the size of the storm. Again, impact as far as the closest that the eye approaches is South Carolina, right in the central part. And you have another storm that's forming in this model. Watch, it'll be in the middle of the screen at the bottom at the end. But here we go, coming into South Carolina, raking North Carolina, and coming back out over the Outer Banks. Notice right in the bottom middle, by this time, we have a system out just outside the Leeward Islands. So we're going to watch this, guys. The eye is so well formed, it's a magnificent image. Now, this thing doesn't have that far before it starts to turn, okay? You can see the the Bahamas, and then Florida to your left there. And the thing is, it was at 10 miles an hour last night. Now it's up to 12, but a well-defined eye. Check that out. So guys, again, just was a 5 a.m. update as the sun's rising here. We'll look at it again at the 8 a.m. update and see what we get. We know the storm is, the tracks will change as it gets closer, but right now, the entire peninsula of Florida may not get slammed, so that's a good thing. But you, all my friends in up in Georgia, South Carolina, really keep your eyes on this. You know we will. It's a heads up. Be safe.